dey watch una.
Kidnappers don't turn Nigeria to overnight business center. Even Ministry of Defense staff, they kidnap them too. Imagine defense people, we need defense. US, they watch us like CCTV, but instead make government focus, they chase criminals. And media fight them they do. Every week, we condemn, we on top, we assure. My brother, assurance, no be action. As insecurity, they burn the country. Primate Ayodele, get mine, open mouth. They preach tribal hate. They tell Igbos, say them pay cost. Pastor, we're supposed they calm the nation, they divide the nation. Clap for them. Instead, make leaders condemn and sharp. Then they polish press release. Security improving, but now who improve them? Kidnappers. You go there, international partners misunderstand the situation. Opposition is exporting negative narratives. Brother, my US put you under watch list. Double position Twitter. Every day, we they see the truth. Insecurity they rise. Propaganda they louder. My people, shine your eyes. Don't let them use PR confuse you. Get your PVC. Vote right. Defend your vote 2027 and say no to GMO. That's so freedom they take start.
If you no laugh, you go learn.